Hi, I'm Jason with Recon Power Bikes. Today we're going to be talking about brake adjustments. We're going to have mechanical and hydraulic brakes and how they work on the bicycle. Right here we're looking at the caliper for the mechanical brake systems working off a cable drive. These are single piston activated, so when you squeeze your brake lever you'll see only the outboard brake disc moves. So it's going to be very important when we adjust this to make sure we're as close as possible to the inboard disc. That way when you're squeezing this lever, you're not actually pushing the disc over and bending it. You want to be as close as you can to this. And later on the bike, you're going to see our adjustments here. When we talk about moving the inboard disc, we're going to talk about using this square lever here to turn it up and down. And then this will be the locking nut to lock it into place when we're done with our adjustments. The sound you're hearing right now is the disc rubbing against the disc pads. With mechanical brakes, there's 3 adjustments to make, and we're going to demonstrate and explain how to do that right now. The first adjustment is the inside caliper, which is adjusted by this nut right here. Counterclockwise moves it further away. Clockwise moves the pads closer to the disc. On this one, you want it as close to the disc as possible without touching. On the outside caliper, that's the moving caliper, you want this one adjustment to be made up here by rotating that counterclockwise to move it farther inboard or counterclockwise to move it farther outboard. When your final adjustments are done, you will lock that in position there. If you get to an extreme point where you've moved it so far over, and if you'll notice right here, I no longer have any threads showing. You should have at least one thread showing. If you cannot make any adjustments at that point, you're going to have to loosen everything and adjust the top and bottom nut there. What that does is it moves the whole caliper left to right to get you centered.